Welcome to Legal Assistance, Housing and Tenant Basics. Home should feel like a stable place for your family, even when military life means frequent moves and changing duty stations. In a few minutes, you will see common landlord and housing problems military families face, and how legal protections and support can help you stay mission ready. This training provides general information, not legal advice. For personal questions, talk with a qualified attorney or your installation legal assistance office. Let us start with 3 short scenarios you might recognize from your own experience. Scenario 1, PCS and breaking a lease. You and your family rent an off-base apartment when new permanent change of station orders arrive, several months before your lease ends. You worry about paying rent on your current place and a deposit at your next duty station at the same time. In this situation, legal assistance may be available to you if you are an eligible beneficiary. You should visit your installation's legal assistance office to review your rights under the Servicemembers Civil Relief Act, or SCRA. Afterward, prepare a written notice to your landlord explaining your protections as a service member. Be sure to include a copy of your military orders and lease documents with the notice. Taking this straightforward step can help you avoid unnecessary fees and make your move less stressful. The SCRA generally applies to active duty service members, certain National Guard and Reserve members on qualifying orders, and in some cases, their dependents. Next, consider a deployment that changes your pay and schedule. Scenario 2, deployment and missed rent. A deployment causes a missed rent payment, and your landlord files for eviction. You receive court papers while you are still adjusting to new routines and responsibilities. Due to the SCRA, you and your family cannot be evicted for non-payment of rent without a court order if the rent is below a certain amount. Additionally, courts can delay an eviction or adjust terms when military service affects your ability to pay. The Legal Assistance Office can help you ask the court for more time and work with your landlord on a realistic plan if you are an eligible beneficiary. Finally, think about what happens when the problem is the condition of your home. Scenario 3, unsafe conditions or unresponsive landlord. In the third scenario, you live in privatized military housing, and your home has significant leaks, mold, or broken systems that your landlord does not repair despite repeated requests. These conditions affect your family's health and sense of safety. The Department of War Tenant Bill of Rights outlines your right to safe, quality, and well-maintained housing and fair treatment from the housing company. It also outlines processes for maintenance, dispute resolution, and access to housing records. You document the problems with photos and messages, contact the housing office or property manager in writing, and set a clear deadline for repairs. If the problems continue, the Legal Assistance Office can explain your options under state law and the Defense Department Tenant Bill of Rights, including how to escalate serious concerns. You can raise concerns through the housing office, your chain of command, or a tenant advocate if privatized housing does not meet these standards. Knowing these rights can help you speak up early when something is wrong. You do not have to face a landlord or housing problem alone. Your installation's legal assistance office can review leases, explain how SCRA and state landlord-tenant laws apply, and help you draft letters to your landlord. Military OneSource can connect you to legal help if you are far from an installation or unsure where to start. You can call 800-342-9647 or use the Legal Services Locator online to find your nearest legal assistance office. Contact Legal Assistance or Military OneSource as soon as you see a problem, not after it becomes a crisis. Keep a folder with your lease, orders, photos, and written communications, so you are ready if a dispute arises. Maintaining stability in your living situation can sometimes be a challenge, but you have rights and protections as a service member, and support is always available when you need it. Thank you for completing Legal Assistance, Housing and Tenant Basics.